Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. We're going to jump right in, and right here I'm using my Anastasia Eyelid Primer. I love this stuff. Then I'm going to be going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and taking that cherry red color and popping this right into the crease. And I'm going to really build this up to be really opaque, and then I'm going to end up blending it out as well with a clean fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with the same Anastasia Eyelid Primer. Then going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking that hunter green color and patting that all over the lid while the primer is still wet. And this is just going to make sure it's really opaque, but I really did have to build this color up. It did not want to. It was really patchy. Then I'm going on my CC Beauty paint kit. I will link the Amazon link down below. I'm going with the white shade and creating a line. This was particularly hard to do, but ended up looking fine in the end, but it was a little thicker than I wanted. Then I'm going to set that with some translucent face powder. Then I'm taking the black in the palette and kind of creating these squiggly lines. Guys, I really messed up here. I meant to connect every other line so it looked like it was wrapped around the white line, but oh well. Then I go ahead and set that as well with some translucent face powder just so it doesn't smudge. And then I'm going to go ahead and start doing the lights. I'm really out of frame here. I'm so sorry. I'm just using a very tiny brush to create little like ovals of every color. But I kept getting out of frame. It was really annoying me. And then I did the same with just the pink and the blue in the palette. But you can make any color you want out of the primary colors. But this was just the easiest way for me to do it. And then I do set every color after I do it, so when I open and close my eyes it's not smudging. So here you see me setting it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the white on the lights as well. And this is gonna make it look like it's like glowing. And this was like very also hard but very detailed work. Just get some small paint brushes from Michael. That's what I did. They're very small. Or any craft store, honestly, will sell like very detailed paint brushes for you to use. Then I went ahead and set that again so it wouldn't smudge. Then I went ahead and started doing the little electrical cord. I basically just did a rectangle and then two little prongs poking out. This was a really cute detail. I almost left out, but I'm glad I didn't. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that hunter green and put that right on the lash line. I'm going to blend that out with some of the same hunter green as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and start with my blush. I'm using my NYX Ombre blush and just popping that on my cheeks. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop some on my nose too. Then going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm taking Sunray, which is that bottom left shade right there, and some of the NYX Bear With Me spray, and just spraying my brush and then dipping into the highlight and just highlighting my cheekbones. Then I go ahead and also pop some of that highlighter on my nose bridge and the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. And then I take some of the white in the Anastasia Glow Kit and also pop that in my inner corners. And then for lips, I'm taking the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Striking. This was not the shade I wanted to use. I could not find my favorite red, but it'll do for the look. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.